I'm Michel'le Donnelly. I'm from Joburg, and I'm currently working as the project leader for advocacy and awareness at the South African Federation for Mental Health. So we're an advocacy organization. We are really focused on protecting the human rights of mental health care users in the country, advocating for the human rights, but also raising awareness at a population level about the importance of mental health for all. I guess it was a long journey to becoming an advocate or an activist, even though it was something that I probably did in my younger years. I wouldn't have called myself an activist because I always thought that came with certain connotations or you had to be in certain spaces. So, I went into journalism, but the reason behind going into journalism was because I wanted to tell people stories and to share stories of people who couldn't speak for themselves. So kind of went through the journalism way, and then I did development studies and started working with people in refugee communities, and then I also started working within menstrual health, and then the job at SA Fed came up. So it was really good because especially where I was when it came to refugees and then working in the menstrual health space, it was also just really intersecting with mental health, which is an issue that intersects with all social justice issues. So yeah, that's how I've landed here. I think I was really looking forward to meeting just fellow activists, and so it's just been excitement building. Once the video came out and people were there, I was like, okay, it'll be great to meet people, and I'm so glad, and it's still the people that have been the best surprise of all. I think when you look at what Tekano's been sharing this week about feminism, decolonialism, Pan-Africanism, those pillars are so important when it comes to making sure that everyone has equitable mental health care. And so that looks like making sure that it's in the community, that it's accessible, that it's provided by people that understand your context and that look like you as well. So I can already see the connections being drawn there as well. I think it's also just talking about topics that I've probably learned a lot on my own. So ideologies like feminism, I think I did one subject on it at university, but no one really talks about it in the same way that I would like to, or decolonialism, Pan-Africanism, learning new words, learning new concepts, learning new social issues, or just even organizations in the country, what they're working on. So it's been, getting to know new people and just learning and just being in a space with people who have the same core values as myself. It's been inspiring.